Hi, welcome to this tutorial on the Belt E-VAT feature. So to get started, you simply go to E-VAT on the sidebar. Then you are taken to the dashboard. Over here, you see the number of submissions you've done to GRA, those that are filled pending, your daily submissions, monthly, and then the total you sent to GRA. So at the moment, E-VAT isn't active, so you would have to complete the setup and settings by simply clicking this link. So you click this, you are taken to this page. Here there's a checklist of things to be done before you can begin using the E-VAT. You have to provide your company reference, the security key, and then map taxes onto taxes on bills to those on GRA, and then you verify the connection. So we would start with the company reference. This is GRA issued, so you would have to get it from your portal. So the company reference, moment you paste that, then you get the security key. Also you get this from GRA, and then your GRA branch. This is such matter, and you input your company thing. So after you've inputted these, you can save settings. After saving, you have the 2 of the 4 things done. Next thing to do will be mapping the taxes. So you go here, then here you would want to map every tax you want included in your GRA submissions. Also, the old taxes aren't supported, so you have to send the new taxes. If not, they would be rejected by GRA. So I would first map this. These are the taxes on bills, and these are those in the GRA bucket. So I would first map the VAT to the VAT 2026 to VAT on the GRA bucket, and then save, and this saves. Then that's for NHIL. I would also select this and save, then forget fund, I do the same and save. If there's any tax that is in GRA and not isn't on belt, you can simply create the tax yourself. So once this is done, you go back to GRA connection. You see 3 out of the 4 things are done. So the last thing to do is to verify the connection. So you do that by simply clicking test connection. Once connection is verified, you can then activate E-VAT and then take advantage of the feature. So you simply click on the activate button. GRA E-VAT is activated. Once it's activated, you can then begin to send your invoices, your quick sales, and your bills to GRA. So I would first start with invoices, but to do that, I would create a customer. So add a new customer, test E-VAT customer. Then for invoices that are submitted to GRA, it's advisable to always provide the TIN or the Ghana card number for that particular customer, because all that information is sent to GRA and is requested by GRA. So make sure to either edit your customers if you've not provided this number, or if you've not already inputted this number, or when creating a new customer, you provide their Ghana card or their TIN. So I would input the Ghana card, then you verify. Once it's verified, then you save the customer. Then I go to create the invoice. So I add the customer, add the item, the quantity 100 or 10. Then you select the taxes that apply to this item. So these are the taxes applied. Then you save and preview. Once you save the invoice, you have the option to send to GRA directly from here. So you simply click on this. Then Once you've submitted the invoice to GRA, you can't delete or edit it, so that's a prompt they are given. Then you click to send to GRA. The document has now been sent to GRA. So when you come back to E-VAT, you see on the submissions we have one submitted today, and in the month one, then the total that has been sent to GRA, that's 20,000 from the taxes. So you can also view the submissions from here. Then you see the customer, the type, the nets for like the total, what the invoice amounted to. You see the VATs and then the levies, and this is the total. So this can be done for quick sales and bills. It all follows the same process. So this has been it for, this is it for the E-VAT feature.